Hello, it's Chris again at FALCON Technology, and today we're going to be talking about portable solar systems. FALCON have a 240 watt and 130 watt monocrystalline foldable portable solar system. Now both these units fold away, go into a nice little carry case. They have a handle on the side which is made easy for packing away and carrying around like so. All aluminium framework, monocrystalline solar cells. They will perform not just in sunlight but also daylight as well. They do prefer the sunlight like us all, but they will work in daylight too. The solar regulator that comes with this, and the job of the regulator is to regulate the power from the solar to the battery. And that allows you then to have the peace of mind that when the battery is full, the solar panel will start to slow down its charge rate and then avoid damaging the battery. The solar regulator is an MPPT, which allows you in the menu to be able to then select the battery type of the type of battery that you're charging, which could be acid, gel, AGM or lithium. So it's giving it the correct charge rate. The solar regulator also comes with built-in Bluetooth. The advantage of that is now you can better understand your solar generation by connecting with the solar system with your smart device. That could be a tablet or it could be a smartphone. You need to download the app first, and then opening up the app, it will then show you solar generation and battery voltage. Not just live, but also historically. It will show you for the last 7 days. So you can see how your solar system has been performing for 7 days, but also you can see as well what the voltage of the battery has charged up to or discharged down to. So it tells you the health of your battery and the wealth of your solar system. The other advantage of that as well is, should you have any technical questions or queries regarding your solar, having that information, you can then screenshot that and then send it to FALCON Technical Support by WhatsApp, and we can look at your solar system as if you were here at FALCON Technology and better understand any queries you might have. So this solar panel now comes with a 5-meter cable. You've got two options to be able to connect this solar panel to your battery. It has an Anderson connection, and this Anderson connection connects to the 5-meter cable that comes with either or option. Connecting this is dead simple. So like I say, we've got 5 meters of cable. We connect with the Anderson plug like so, and now we can connect to our battery with the simple crocodile connectors. But for those customers who want a nice and tidy installation, and that way then an easy setup when they arrive at campsite, you also get a set of Anderson plugs, but instead of the crocodile clips, they come with ring terminals, which then installed once makes life easy for a simple connection. So we've done this already to a caravan that we've set up for a customer of ours that wanted a simple solution, and they didn't want to try and find where the positive or the negative was, or they found it also difficult trying to get the crocodile clips onto the battery terminals in a tight space of the box. So we took the battery out, and then what we did is we took the nuts off the battery clamps on the bolts, and then we slid the ring terminals on, replaced the nuts back on, and just tightened it up. And now what we've got inside this box is we've got an Anderson plug which is ready for connection to the solar panel. So down below here now you can see this is now fitted to the battery. Anytime you want to go camping and start to make your solar energy, you fold your solar panel outside, you pop the cable through, and it fits nicely as well where you've got this drain hole here in the battery box. So you can now simply just plug that in without having to fight your way to get these caps off to get to the terminals. It's all done, it's all pre-wired. Now pop that up like so. Now this is a service we can do if you can't do, whether it's you come to FALCON or one of our engineers comes out to you. Obviously there would be a charge for this, but those details are available on request. But for those people with a toolbox and DIY skills, it's an easy job to do. So 130, 240. People say which is the best size for me. Depends how long you go camping. If it's only 2 or 3 days, 130 watt. If you're going for a week, then 240 watt can balance the books when the sun's not out all the time. Or if you'd like to use a power inverter, you're using more, so logic says you need to make more to replace your usage. So if you're a member of the Camping and Caravan Club, there is an offer which you can use the code at the shopping basket, and the code will then give you a free gift from FALCON, which is an extension cable to be able to extend the standard 5-meter cable and make that then 10 meters. Advantage of that is, if your van is parked in the shade and you want to get the solar panel into the sun to make maximum performance, if the 5-meter cable is too short, then add the extension cable, then you've got 10 meters, then you can sit it in the sun and make more solar energy. So, any questions, please either contact us by phone 0800 622 474, or alternatively drop us an email off the website at sales, or alternatively go to Facebook and send us a direct message. So from FALCON Technology, portable solar, making energy, your own energy, keeping off grid or going on grid for a cheaper cost. Over and out from FALCON Technology. Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks for watching.